Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I finally got my STI wing for my WRX. I got this one from eBay. Obviously it's not painted. This was $109. I'm gonna go ahead and take it to my local shop to get it painted, and I'm gonna wait a couple of days so I can install it. Almost forgot to tell you guys, I actually end up replacing these screws. These are the ones that were supposed to attach to the trunk and the wing. Honestly, I didn't feel safe with this small washer and this small screw. For me, I needed a bigger one, so I went to my local Home Depot and got a longer one. Basically it's the same measurement, just a little longer. Just this is an inch, and also I got a bigger washer, you know, so it could be really firm. And it was about $3 or $4 to be honest, so just a tip.